Finding your podcasting voice. Are you thinking about starting a podcast but unsure about how to find your unique voice? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many aspiring podcasters struggle with finding their authentic voice that sets them apart from the rest. Here are some tips and tricks to help you discover your podcasting voice and create content that resonates with your audience. Why is your podcasting voice important? Your podcasting voice is what distinguishes you from other podcasters. It's what makes your show unique and attracts listeners. Tips for finding your authentic voice. 1. Be yourself. The key to finding your podcasting voice is authenticity. Don't try to imitate other popular podcasters or pretend to be someone you're not. Embrace your true self and let your personality shine through your podcast. 2. Identify your target audience. Understanding your target audience is essential for developing your podcasting voice. Determine who your ideal listener is and tailor your content to their interests and needs. Speak directly to your audience and use language and tone that resonates with them. 3. Experiment with different formats. There are various podcast formats to choose from, such as interviews, solo episodes, storytelling, or panel discussions. And finally, practice and refine. Finding your podcasting voice takes time and practice. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first.